In this video, we're going to dive deep into the BSF World MasterCard. If you've ever wondered whether this card is right for you, stay tuned as we break down all its details. Let's start with the basics. The BSF World MasterCard is a premium credit card offered by BSF Bank, designed for customers who are looking for global benefits and top-tier services. This card comes with exclusive perks, travel rewards, and a variety of services tailored to frequent travelers and international users. Advantages. The BSF World MasterCard offers a range of impressive advantages. First, you get access to a global network of merchants, making it an ideal companion for travel. The card includes free access to select airport lounges, giving you a more comfortable travel experience. It also offers travel insurance, which is a valuable safety net when you're on the move. In terms of rewards, you earn points with every purchase, which you can redeem for travel, shopping, or dining. These rewards can accumulate quickly, especially if you use your card frequently. Additionally, the card comes with 24/7 customer support and concierge services. Whether you need assistance with booking a hotel or finding a local service in a foreign country, the card support team is ready to help. Disadvantages. However, like any credit card, the BSF World MasterCard also has its downsides. One of the major drawbacks is the annual fee, which can be relatively high. If you're not a frequent traveler or someone who takes full advantage of the rewards and perks, this fee might outweigh the benefits. Furthermore, there may be additional fees for foreign transactions, which can add up if you're using the card internationally. It's also important to mention that the card requires a good credit score, so it might not be an option for everyone. If you're new to credit or have a low credit score, qualifying for the BSF World MasterCard could be challenging. Services. The services that come with this card are exceptional, particularly for those who travel often. With access to airport lounges, emergency services, and comprehensive insurance coverage, it's a card that provides peace of mind. You'll also benefit from the extended warranty and purchase protection on items bought with the card. Additionally, you have access to exclusive offers and discounts at luxury hotels, restaurants, and shops around the world, which can enhance your overall travel experience. Costs. The annual fee for the BSF World MasterCard can be on the higher side, so it's important to calculate whether the benefits outweigh this cost based on your lifestyle. There may also be interest rates applied if you carry a balance on the card, so managing your payments wisely is crucial to avoid extra fees. That's a wrap on the BSF World MasterCard. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who enjoys premium perks, this card could be a great fit. But if the fees seem steep or you don't travel often, you might want to consider other options. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.